everybody doing? I hope everybody feeling good and great and all that old shit. Yo, look, don't do it. I know my hair like the shit look a little crazy because look, check this out. I did it my fucking self. Like I was following these girls on YouTube, but I don't know, it didn't come out right. I think I'm gonna have to slick my shit to the back, like just like because it just looked like a big. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I hope everybody's feeling good and great and all that old shit. It's not so nice out, but at least because the sun ain't shining. 'Cause you know, I'm a sun goddess. I like to be out in the sun here in New York City. But anyway, you alive, you well, you feeling, hopefully you feeling good and great, had a great weekend. Anyway, y'all know how to do it. Let's just jump right into it. You know, I just recently had a conversation with somebody who is married, and her husband don't want her hanging out with me because I'm not married. What? That don't even make no fucking sense. Like, bitch, I don't got no motherfucking control over your motherfucking woman pussy or what the fuck, how she gonna interact with somebody else because she's out with me. That has no, the logic doesn't even make no sense. Like, why can't she hang out with me? Like, I mean, what you think? Bitch, we going to have a drink and chill. That's it. He was like, yo, you know, cause Rill, you know what I'm saying? I know, you know, she be talking about sex and you know, she's the sex person. That's what he called me. And she should be talking about sex. Like, nah, what I have to do for a living and me shedding some light from black people's perspective on sex and human sexuality has to do with me hanging out with your daughter, your wife. This is an ignorant fucking thinking, y'all. That's fucking ignorant fucking thinking. That is like real fucking ignorant fucking thinking. Like, seriously. I hope y'all comment on this shit because I really want to know, like, how if you are married and you have a friend that's not married, how am I able to influence this woman in any fucking way? Bitch, I can't. That's her pussy. Whatever the fuck she want to do with it, she's going to do with it. I don't have anything to do with nobody else's motherfucking pussy. The only person's pussy that I'm worried about is my own. Like, as if I am trying to inject something into her. Like, for her to do something. Now, I ain't on that type of, like, what, bitch, bitch, that's fucking stupid. I swear. It's just, that doesn't even make any sense. Do you have an issue with that? Do y'all think that married people can't hang out with single people? Is that yo, I have heard people say shit like, I'm like, what the fuck does that have to do with anything? Bitch, we going to the bar, have a drink, you know what I'm saying, chit chat it up, and then, you know what I'm saying, she's gonna go home to you, I guess, bitch, because like once again, I don't know what your girl gonna do, your wife gonna do with her motherfucking pussy. I'm not trying to influence her to do anything. Like the ignorance of it all, yo, that shit like really bugged me the fuck out. I was just like, girl, are you fucking serious? But you know, because like, you know, she respects her husband and you know what I'm saying, and she follows and you know she's submissive, and which is great because ain't nothing wrong with a woman being submissive to her man. So she was like, nah, girl, I ain't gonna be able to go because he said that. And I really felt some kind of way. Like, I felt discriminated against. Like, bitch, what type of shit is that? Like, what, like, but I understand her reason, because, you know, that's her man, so she gonna go with what her man say, and she gonna do, like, okay, cool, but god damn, that's some fucked up shit. That's some real fucked up shit. Like, and I do not understand the logic because there isn't any. And if you have some, please share it because I would like to know. Listen. But y'all know I am having my first Seductive Art workshop, ladies. It's in New York City. It's this Saturday, April 30th. It's just for us women. It's a small, intimate group, and I hope that you ladies come out. We're gonna informative, interactive, and filled with sexy fun wine and hors d'oeuvres and cocktails will be served. We're gonna have a good time. This is from Black women's perspective, so it's a Black woman's things. You understand what I'm saying? Please go to my website, which is seductive-art.com. Click upcoming events, and that will send you to the link where you can purchase your tickets. The tickets is normally $50. I slashed the bitches all the way to 80%. They're only $20, ladies. Only $20. And also for those who would like to come on Zoom, I just started this today. Somebody been putting it in my ear, but I was like, you know what, I can do that. For $5, you're not going to be a part of the entire workshop because there's 3 different segments. There's the visual stimulation, the Rill Sex Talk, and the ESS, which is an erotic, sensual, seductive dance. You will only be on the conversation piece, which is the seductive art. But the one thing I want to tell y'all right now, please have your motherfucking mic on mute. Please on mute. $5. I don't want to delete somebody. You know what I'm saying? But it's only $5, and you can be a part of the conversation. So yeah, so y'all know that. And also, please don't forget to drop down. Like, let me know what y'all think about this shit. Like, married people can't hang out with single people? Is that a thing? Yo, that is the most ignorant shit I've ever heard in my motherfucking life. Like, it doesn't, like, and from a woman's perspective. Now, men, I'm not a man, so maybe the man would probably, a woman would probably feel some type of way, I guess. Like, if I wouldn't. You know what I'm saying? Because I know that he's an individual, and if my husband is an individual, he think for his motherfucking self. Even if they go to a motherfucking strip club or wherever the fuck they going, you know what I'm saying? Like, why is that an issue? Like, or are you like, you that fucking insecure? Like, the shit bugged me out. I really want y'all to know, please. And also, y'all notice my book is called Quickie and 7 Short Erotic Stories. Get that. Read while you fuck while you read. It's only $1.99. I will have it down in the subscription. Y'all know I am a designer, fashion architect. The name of the brand is Rill Nice by Rilll. All things fresh. And I am the underdog in fashion. So yeah. But back to the motherfucker real quick. But yeah, like, please let me know your logic behind it. If you are a married person or if you are a single person and you feel that you can't be friends with someone, if you're a married person, you can't be friends with someone that's single and hang out. Like, bitch, I have no control. Even if you, bitch, what the fuck? Yo, listen, that shit was the dumbest shit I ever heard in my motherfucking life. That shit is just fucking dumb. And it's real insecure. That's what the fuck it is. Like, what the fuck? But anyway, y'all let me know. Y'all already know how, if I resonate with you, please hit that, click that. I would appreciate that. Let's get these subscriptions up. I like to say thank you for that. For those who have subscribed in the last month or so, thank you. And if you haven't, please just hit that, click that. Like, what the fuck? Hit that, what the fuck? Support the sister. But anyway, that's if I resonate with you. And if I don't, that's cool too. You already know how we lead this motherfucker. Be kind, be courteous, be on time, be focused, be about your goddamn money. Be knowing when there's some fake ass motherfuckers in your motherfucking cipher and to eliminate them immediately. Be motivated, be inspired, be a great lover, a great husband, a great wife, a great friend. Be great at what you do. Be inspired, be inspiring, be motivated. Did I say that already? Yes, I did. Be courteous, be kind, be nice, be aggressive, be opinionated, be boisterous, be about your community, be a part of the motherfucking solution, be on if you black motherfucker, be black and motherfucking proud, be about the motherfucking culture, be a great listener, be a person who reads, be about elevating your mind, elevating your life, and all that shit. But most motherfucking importantly, if none of them shit's like, if whatever the fuck resonate with you. But the most motherfucking important thing is be you. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace.